So here substitute x equal to 1 here, y is equal to 2, z equal to 3. Here's the determinant of y plus z here, 2 plus 3 becomes of 5, y minus z, 2 minus 3 is minus of 1 here, z minus y, 3 minus 3 minus 2 gives 1 here, x minus z, 1 minus 3 minus of 2 here, x plus z, 1 plus 3 gives 4, and z minus x, 3 minus 1 gives 2 here, x minus y, 1 minus 2 is minus of 1 here, y minus x, 2 minus 1 is 1, x plus y, 1 plus 2 becomes 3, that is equal to k into 1 into 2 into 3 here. Here take a 2 common factor here. So determinant of 5 minus 1 and plus 1 here, minus 1, 2 and 1 here, minus 1, 1 and 3. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 here, 6k. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are cancels here. Then expand the determinant here. 5 into 3 2s are 6 and 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Minus of minus becomes a plus 1. 3 1s are 3. Minus of 3 minus of 1 1s are 1 here. Then minus 1. Here minus 1 into 1 is minus of 1. Minus of 2 1s are 2 here. Is equal to 3k. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 5s are 25. Minus 3 minus 1 minus of 4 here. And minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 3k. Here 25 minus 4, 21 plus 3, 24 here. So 24 is equal to 3k. 3 ones are 3, 8 is here. Hence the value of k is 8 here. So D answer here. 8. Okay. Even here also, we just substitute here. Put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 here, and C is equal to 3. Here's the determinant of 1, 1 and 1 here, then 1, 2 and 3. Then substitute here. A value is 1, 1 square is 1 here. B into C means 2 3s are 6, minus of 6. B square is 4, minus of A into C. 1 into 3 here, it is 3. A into C here. C square, 3 square, 9 here. Minus of A into B, 1 into 2 becomes 2 here. Therefore, this is equal to determinant of 1, 1 and 1 here. Then 1, 2 and 3. 1 minus 6 is a minus of 5 here. 4 minus 3 gives 1. 9 minus 2 gives 7 here. Then expand this determinant here. Otherwise, I can make these two terms as zeros. So R2 gives here R2 minus of R1, and R3 gives R3 minus R1 here. Yes, this is equal to determinant of 1, 1 and minus of 5. 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and 2 minus 1 is 1 here. 1 minus of minus becomes plus here. It is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2 here. And 7 plus 5 gives 12. Then expand the determinant here. 1 into 12 ones are 12. 6 2s are 12 here. Minus of 1. 0 into 12 becomes 0. 0 into 6 becomes 0. Minus of 5. So 0 into 2 becomes 0, and 0 into 1 becomes 0. This is a 0. This is 0. Here 12 minus 12 is also 0. Hence, first option is correct here. A. So here the root of the equation here means find the value of x here. So 4 options are there. In these options, 1 is there, then plus 2 and minus of 1 and minus 2x. These are the numbers here. X equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 2. First take x is equal to 1 here and substitute in the determinant. Here in this case it is 1 and 1 here. Then 4 minus 2, 2 ones are 2 here. Then 20, then 5 and x is 1 here, so it is a 5. Okay, then you can take 2 common factor here and here 5 common. 2 into 5 into determinant of 1, 1 and 1 here. Then 2 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 2 and 1 here. Then 5 common here, so 4, 1 and 1 here. Suppose x equal to 2 here. If you put x equal to 2 here, so 1 and 1 here. Then 4 minus 2, 2 into 2 becomes 4. Then it is 20. Then 5 and 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20 here. Okay, therefore here take 2 common factor, here 5 common factor here. 2 into 5 into determinant of. So 1 and 1 here. So 2 minus 1 2 here. Then 4. Okay, 5 4s are. Then 5 1s are. And 5 4s are. Okay. Obviously it is a 0 here because here R1 is equal to R3. First and third rows are identical. Hence the value of this determinant is 0. Suppose it is a minus 1 here. In that case, determinant of 1 and 1 here. Then 4 minus 2 and minus of 2 here. Then 20. Then 5 and minus 1 square is 1, so it is 5. Here these two are 0, means identical. These are 0 because here R2 is equal to R3. Therefore the value of this determinant is 0. Then x is a minus 1 and x equal to 2 here. Minus 1 and 2 here. So this is the answer here. Here and x equal to minus 2 here. So 1 and 1 here. Then 4 minus 2 and 2 2s are 4 here. So minus of 4. Then 20. Then 5. 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20 here. In this case, here rows and columns are not identical here. Hence the value of the determinant is not 0. In this case, they given a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then solution of the equation here. Okay. So they given here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So let us consider a is equal to 1 here, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0. If you use here, then it becomes a 0. Therefore, this determinant becomes determinant of 1 minus x here. Then c value is a 0 and b is a minus 1 here. Then c is a 0, b is a minus 1 here, minus 1 minus x and a value is a 1. So right here 1. Then b is a minus of 1 here. then a is a plus 1 here, then c is a 0, 0 minus x is a minus of x here, therefore this is equal to 0. Then you expand this determinant here, so 1 minus of x, then this into this here, minus into minus become plus here, x into 1 plus x minus of 1 here. Okay, taking a minus common, minus and this minus become plus here, so x into 1 plus x minus of 1 into 1 becomes 1 here, and 0 is there, 0 into any term is a 0, then write here minus of 1, 0 into 1 is a 0, here minus common here, first write here minus common, and minus minus become plus here, hence it is a 1 minus of x here, that equal to 0. Therefore 1 minus of x into x becomes x square, x into 1 becomes x minus of 1 here, and here minus into minus becomes a plus here, so plus 1 minus of x, that is equal to 0. Here 1 minus x a common factor here, 1 minus x is the common factor, therefore x square plus x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, minus 1 plus 1 cancels here, x is the common factor here, x into 1 minus x into, x is the common remaining here, 1 plus x here, that is equal to 0. Therefore x into 1 minus of x square is equal to 0. So I made a mistake here, minus of 1 into, it is a 0. If you take minus common, then it becomes a plus here. Yes, complete this 3 steps becomes wrong here. Therefore 1 minus of x into 1 becomes x into x square minus of 1 here, then minus into minus becomes a plus 1 plus x, that equal to 0. Then multiply the term here, 1 into x is x, 1 into x square is a x square here, then 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1, minus x into x minus of x square, minus x into x square minus of x cube, minus x into minus 1 plus x here, then plus 1 plus x, that equal to 0. Minus 1 and plus 1 cancels here, then plus x square minus x square cancels, therefore x plus x becomes 3x here, minus of x cube is equal to 0. Here x a common factor, hence 3 minus of x square is equal to 0. Hence in this case x is equal to 0 here, and 3 minus x square equal to 0. Hence x equal to 0 and x is equal to plus or minus of root 3 here. So just observe here, first option is only 0 is there. Okay, but here x equal to plus or minus 3. And if you substitute a value 1, b value minus 1 here, and c becomes a 0. Then 1 plus 1 is a 2 cancels, remaining plus or minus 3. But here plus or minus root 3 is there. And here in the third option, x is a 0 is there. And here in this case, in the third option here, so root of so 3 divided by 2 here. A square plus b square plus c square. A value is 1 here, so 1 square. And b is a minus 1 here, so minus 1 square. And c is a 0, so it becomes a 0 here. Therefore 0 comma root of 3 divided by 2 here. 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. 2 and 2 cancels here. Hence 0 plus or minus of root 3 here. Hence C correct option here. So in this example, put A is equal to 0 here, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 2 here. Hence the determinant of A value 0 here. Minus 1 minus 2 gives a minus of 3 here. 2 into B, 2 into 1 becomes a 2 here. 2 into C, 2 into 2 becomes a 4. Then 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Then 1 minus C means a minus of 2 here. And A value is 0, 0 here. 1 minus 2 is a minus of 1 here. It's a minus 1. Then 2 into C, 2 into 2 becomes a 4 here. Then 2 into A, again it is a 0. 2 into B, 2 into 1 becomes a 2 here. Then C is a 2 here. A value is 0 and B is a 1 here. Minus of 1. 2 minus 1 becomes a 1 here. Okay. Therefore, here this is equal to minus of 3 here. Minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1, minus of 4 to the 8 here. Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9, minus into minus plus, 9 is a 27 here. If you take the first option here, put A value 0, B value 1 and C value is a 2 here. Then 2 plus 1 becomes a 3, 3 square is a 9 here. So first option is wrong here because here we want 27. Second option here, again A value is 0, B value is 1, C value is a 2 here. It is a Q here. The Q is a 27, so this value 27. So B is the correct option here. In this case, what is the value of this determinant here? Here again put A is equal to 1 here and B is equal to 1 here. Okay. In this case, just remember it here, so that if you take values A and B, so that options give the different values here, not same values. Okay. If A value is 1, B value 1, here all the options are different here. You choose the numbers like that here. So I am taking A value 1 and B value 1. All the values of A, B, C and D values are different here. Substitute in the determinant here. 1 plus 1 becomes a 2 here. Then 1 plus 2 becomes a 3. 1 plus 4 becomes a 5. 1 plus 2 is a 3. 1 plus 3 becomes a 4. 1 plus 5 becomes a 6. 1 plus 3 is a 4. 1 plus 4 is a 5. And 1 plus 6 gives us 7 here. Therefore, subtracting here 2, 3, 4 write as it is. 3 minus 2 gives 1. 4 minus 3 gives 1 here. 5 minus 4 gives 1. Then 5 minus 3 gives a 2. 6 minus 4 is a 2 here. 7 minus 5 gives a 2 here. Therefore, here R2 gives a R2 minus of R1 and R3 gives a R3 minus R2. Here, if you take two common factor here, then two rows are identical here. Hence, value of the determinant becomes a 0 here. Therefore, D is the correct option here. Here, root of the equation here means values of x here. So, if you observe the options here, the values are 0 and minus 3 here. So, x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 3. Obviously, if x is 0 here, if you substitute x equal to 0, then 1 and 1 here. All the elements are 0, 1 here. Hence, value of the determinant is 0 because if two rows are identical, value of the determinant is 0. Similarly, if you take x equal to minus 3 here, substitute here, 1 minus 3 gives the minus of 2 here. Then 1, 1, 1 minus 2, 1 here, 1 minus of 2 here. Then adding all the columns here, C1 gives here C1 plus C2 plus C3 here. So 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 here. Hence the value of the determinant is 0 here. Therefore 0 and minus 3. Actually here all the options are correct here, but it is a third order determinant here. If it is a third order determinant, then it gives a cubic equation, and it gives 3 values here, 3 roots. Yes, B correct option here, because it is a third order determinant. If we expand it here, it gives a cubic equation, and you know every cubic equation has 3 roots here. Yes, 0, 0 minus 3 is the answer here.